I'm going to start this fall home tour outside on my front porch. So I have this beautiful mum that I got from Lowe's. And then I have two sections of my front porch. I have a section where you can put rocking chairs. So I just have a jack-o'-lantern that lights up and my witch beware sign. And then at the front door, I have my two little pumpkins I got from Lowe's. Also, I got this beautiful reversible rug from TJ Maxx. It was $24.99. I also got this beautiful plant stand from TJ Maxx for $24.99. And I just have a simple pear that I thrifted on top, and I added the ribbon myself. I think it just looks very simple and clean. And then my favorite part is the wreath I got from Amazon because the colors and the flowers just pop out at you and they look very pretty against my hazel Sherwin-Williams colored door. So just very simple. I think it adds warmth and color and I love it. So let's head inside. Okay, so when you come in my front door, we enter a foyer area, and I'm just going to keep this area really clean and empty. But when you turn off to the right here, we have our guest bedroom and bathroom. And guys, this is my favorite room of the house. I hope that doesn't sound weird, but I've turned this into a winter, like a Wonderland cottage feel. Um, I love my rug. It has bunnies on it and flowers and leaves. I got that online at lahome.com and it's washable. I love it. And I did like a really pretty soft floral curtain that I got from TJ Maxx. And then I love my towels. I got these at Walmart and they remind me of Beauty and the Beast with the gold colors and the roses. You can watch my Walmart YouTube video and you'll see when I first saw those. And then the inside of the bathroom, I just decorated with floral arrangements, my Cinderella floral arrangement. I believe that's supposed to be like a cookie jar, but I used it as a floral arrangement. And then the only thing fall related I put in here is the little Boo Ghost that I got from Hobby Lobby. And I love my soap canister. It is from TJ Maxx. It's like a giant sunflower. And then my beautiful rabbit. I can't remember where I got him. I think it was from Joann's or Hobby Lobby. So like I said, that's my favorite room of the house. So then when we come out here, we have this flex room, and I call this the cozy corner. It's just a place to sit and relax. We have a love seat here and a credenza. And I just put some small decorations here, some candles, a pumpkins for sale sign, and then the white vase I got from Aldi. And the little floral arrangement is from Dollar Tree. I love it. It's just real simple. And then you'll see my beautiful basket that a friend made for me. Richard Krupa is a honored talented basket maker. He made this basket for me and I'm just using it to house my little squirrel family. And then over here is just a lamp, crystal lamp from Ashley Furniture and a little floral arrangement from the Dollar Tree. My furniture is also from Ashley Furniture. The rugs on the floor, the gray and white ones, are from Target. Now I'm going to walk into the family room and I have this giant picture window. I'm just going to leave that with no curtains or anything. I love that it brings the outside in. And we'll start in the area here where you see this big fuzzy blanket. It's like a sweater material. I got that from Marshall's. I love it. And the plant holder was from TJ Maxx. I love this little doggy. I just have him sitting on a shelf. He was from Lowe's. And like I said, my furniture and the coffee tables, the lamps came from Ashley Furniture. Here's a view of a bookcase I have set up, and my Mickey and Minnie Farmer from Hobby Lobby. And you can see some of the little decor. My Frankenstein candle and mummy candle are from Kirkland's. That is on a video on my YouTube channel that you can see, and so is the Hobby Lobby video. This picture on the wall, I'm going to show it to you because it's a very unique size. It's like a long and skinny, and it's perfect in here. And I love it because it's just like farmland with a little house. And I just think it's beautiful, especially the way that they put it in the frame and that it's long. Here's a view of the fireplace. The candle holder on the floor is from Target Hearth and Hand, and so are the candles. They're like a very warm oatmeal color. I thought that was very unique, and I'll probably move it up to my dining room table for Christmas just because I love lighting candles at Christmas time. Here's another picture that I got from TJ Maxx. No, I take that back. This picture is from Kirkland's. The last one, the long one, was from TJ Maxx. This just reminds me of walking through the forest on a trail and you're just having the best day ever. These candle holders are from Kirkland's, and the candles also are battery operated. These little baskets, I've had them forever. They're from a place called Bell's Outlet. If you guys have been there, it's in Florida. Let me know in the comments below if you've been to Bell's Outlet. It's kind of like a Marshall's. They have clothes and home decor. Here's a look at my coffee table. The top of it comes up and you can store things inside. I don't really ever have it up, but it's very convenient. This little pumpkin wire, I thrifted that, but I did get the acorn from Kirkland's a few days ago. And the little placemat I got in a pack of 4 from TJ Maxx. They were $16.99. I think it just looks perfect there. These 3 little ginkgo leaf items, I don't know what to call them, but I love them. They're made of wire. I got those also from Bell's Outlet a very long time ago. Here's a view of really the only Halloween things I have in the house. Just some little things I've collected over the years. And then we're going to start going into the kitchen and dining areas. Okay, going into another one of my favorite rooms is the kitchen. Does anyone else's husband or boyfriend laugh at them for decorating and then recording it or filming it? I don't get it. I mean, that's what women do, right? These 3 bar stools, we just got them put together a few days ago. I first saw them on Wayfair, but then I searched and found them at Walmart for significantly cheaper. So I got these at walmart.com, and they're so comfortable. They're wood and they have an upholstered seat there, but it's very firm. So I think they're going to last a long time. And I just did some really simple on my island. I just kept my plant that I've had since high school, but I did put one of those woven pumpkin placemats under it. My little soap container is from TJ Maxx, and it's called Crisp Apple. The little holder, this little, I think it's a slate or ceramic, just little tray, is from Walmart. And then I just put a little pumpkin dish here with filler. The filler's from TJ Maxx, but the pumpkin dish I got in several different sizes that you'll see throughout. Those are from Marshall's. And then here's a look at my back area where the stove is at. And I didn't change up anything in this corner. I feel like it's kind of already the fall vibe. The giant cutting board was from Kirkland's, and I got it before I even built my house because I just knew I had to have it. And then the salt and pepper shakers and the utensil holder are Kirkland. My boyfriend used to work for Kirkland, so we have all the stuff. The napkin holder is from TJ Maxx. And then my little spoon holder here is from Epcot, Italy Pavilion. I miss it, y'all. I do miss Florida. However, I'm very happy here because it's quiet and it's a lot slower. The vibe is more like just relaxed vibe here in North Carolina. And then this Hello Fall pumpkin with the sweater. I got that a few years ago from Kirkland's. My rug on the floor is from La Home, their website. They have a lot of beautiful rugs, and you do not need a second liner underneath. It already has a little bit of grippy on the bottom, so you just lay it down, and it's beautiful. So soft on your feet. In my butler's pantry, I just have my coffee bar here, and it's decorated with my Disney villains, their mugs and plate. And my coffee maker is from Walmart. I love it so much. It's like an oatmeal cream color. So yeah, that's my kitchen area, and we'll move on to the dining room. My dining room, I love it, you guys. I have 5 windows, and I'm not going to cover them. I love looking out and seeing the forest in the back and all the colors. The leaves are getting ready to change. I'm so excited. Who else is excited for fall and the leaves changing colors? Leave me a leaf emoji just so I know you're ready. My table is Steve Silver. Now you can find him and his furniture collections on a lot of different websites. We went with house.com and had the chairs delivered, and the table was delivered separately. But I went with 2 styles of chairs. I went with the upholstered chairs to put on the ends, and they are just so unique with the wood on the back. They're an oatmeal color. And then I went with 4 all wooden chairs, which are so comfortable because they have this little curve in the back, and it just makes it so much more comfortable. And there's an insert that goes in the middle, and I could fit 8 people if I wanted to. I'm just going to leave it with 6 chairs. And you'll see my decorating is just very simple, but I believe the colors just pop. I have a little family of pumpkins here. All of these are from Marshall's, and the biggest one was $12.99. The smallest one was $6.99. And then I just put some Dollar Tree little floral stems in between, and it looks beautiful. This bigger floral arrangement came in this beautiful white pottery. That was from TJ Maxx, and it was $19.99. This table runner, it's very soft like a velvet, and it's even reversible. And I got this from Marshall's. I think it looks really pretty with the pumpkin family. And in this corner, I'm just going to leave my little stand with my record player there. I got that stand from Aldi, guys, and it was only $40, and it's perfect for a record player because all the records fit inside. This little table here or stand came from Pier 1 Imports. Do y'all remember that store? I'm really missing that store, especially at the holidays, because they were affordable and unique and everything was beautiful. I got this little white Hello Fall pumpkin here as a present from my friend of mine. Let's see, there you go. My birthday is in the fall, so I do get a lot of fall presents, which I'm okay with because I love fall. And then lastly, there's a picture I got from Kirkland's here. And you can see it in my Kirkland's video, but it is just gorgeous. It's a fall picture of a home with leaves and a wagon and a pumpkin, and it's in this dark wood frame. I just thought it was perfect for the season. So that is all of my fall decorating for my main areas of my home. Please comment below if you like this video and what item was your favorite. Of course, mine was the Mickey and Minnie Farmer. I just love them so much. I'm a Disney fan, and I had so much fun decorating my new home for fall. Please like and subscribe and let me know what you want to see next. Thanks, guys.